Hi everyone, I'm going to show you a useful feature in Ardoq that lets you embed your presentations directly into your Confluence pages using iframes. What this means is fewer clicks, up-to-date content, and a smoother way to share insights from Ardoq to your team without having them to leave and jump from different platforms. Let's begin and look for a presentation that we want to embed. Clicking on the presentation, we have a URL that we can copy. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to jump to my Confluence page, and then I am going to add the iframe where I want to embed the Ardoq presentation. So clicking on that, I can give it the URL. I can give it a name. And here I have a number of options. I can give it a further title. I can give it a width and a height. So the height I'm going to put as 700, and the width I'm going to do 100%. And then once I'm happy with that, I'm can save that. And now I've embedded my Ardoq presentation directly in my Confluence page for my stakeholders to review. In summary, embedding keeps everything in one location, ensuring your audience is always seeing the current version. And ultimately, it allows you to share data from Ardoq to multiple stakeholders very quickly. Thank you.